So as promised, here she is. This is my Kate Spade, my Kate Spade bag that I got the other day. Isn't she beautiful? Look at this. She is absolutely stunning. When I went into the store and I saw this bag, I was like, I just have to have it. I have to have it. And now I got to figure out somewhere to go that will warrant me carrying a sparkly pink bag. This is absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. They had a 70% off plus 20% off. So this bag is normally $359. So with the 70% off plus the additional 20% off, I got it. How much I paid? It was like 100 and something. I don't know. That math ain't seeming right to me. Maybe that ain't the real price. I'm looking at the price here, but I don't know if you can see that, but I only paid 100 and something for it. It is so nice. It is beautiful. This is from their holiday collection. So I got to figure out somewhere to go that's going to warrant me to carry this. I already told my husband, make plans because I have to wear her somewhere. And then I'm not sure like what I would wear with this. I mean, of course, it's going to have to be a solid color so that it'll match. I don't know if like a nice black dress or white or something, but if need be, I'll end up just carrying this to the store somewhere. If I go to the mall or whatever, or just go to somebody's house, I will carry it. I mean, I'm not really that picky. Like, I'm not the kind of person that feel like I have to wait for special occasions in order to wear nice things. Like, I will literally run to Target and carry this bag. Like, I don't care. Like, I don't believe in like, oh, save that for the special occasion. No, every day you're alive is the special occasion, okay? So I will carry this straight to the ShopRite. Absolutely, I will. But it would be nice to carry it somewhere that's a little bit fancy. So, just wanted to come on and show you guys this bag that I had got. It is so cute, and I plan to go back and get more. I think their sale is still lasting up until after Black Friday. So, this probably sounds counter opposite, but I'm trying hard to not be so much into consumerism, not to be so materialistic, put it that way, because I have a lot of things. I'm valuing experiences more over things. But you know, when you're blessed to be able to do a little bit of both, you do what you need to do, you do what you want to do. But these higher end type things, I wasn't always doing this kind of stuff. And the moment I began to graduate from Bath and Body Works up until like different perfumes, like I got some Jimmy Choo and some Lancome and some Chanel perfumes and stuff, you know, I don't know, when you're becoming a different kind of girl, your style will change too. And it's not that you're going to constantly look pristine and polished. I don't look pristine and polished right now, and yet I have those things. I can do those things. Don't let these things or people, social media, society, whatever, fool you. Don't think that you are not an elevated woman or an elevated mindset woman because you're not sitting here tipping your finger, tipping your hat with, Versace sitting in the house. It's about being. It's not about performance. It's about being, not performance. I want y'all to remember that. Because many of you are down on yourself thinking that I'm not that girl. And all because you're in the house, you have a t-shirt on and some leggings. Or because you go to pick your kids up with a t-shirt on and some leggings. I'm not endorsing being tacky. But that's not tacky. That's just I'm running around getting things done. And you can still be that girl, okay? Because I see a lot of videos, and I'm not knocking it because there's time and place where you could be more polished, more pristine. But I'm going to be absolutely honest with you guys. That is not me all the time. I just don't feel like that all the time. And I am no less feminine. I am no less feminine when I have my beautiful sweater dress on, my hair perfectly in place. I am still feminine even when I'm sitting here like this, all right? So I know this is supposed to be just like an unboxing, showing you guys my bag, but I'm a teacher at heart, so there was a lesson in that. Don't feel like you have to look a certain part to be that girl. Of course, it's going to reflect on the outside, but there's going to be some days where you just don't feel like doing certain things or putting yourself together in that way. As long as you... And this is another thing. Your beauty is on the inside, so you are beautiful. If you have a clean face, you look put together at the best of your ability, that is fine, okay? You are that girl. Just because you don't have on the most expensive things right now, that doesn't mean you're not that girl. Okay? Just, I don't want to go down a rabbit hole here, but I think you guys get the point. All right? So again, the point of this was my bag. It's so cute. I'm going to figure out where to wear her. Like and subscribe to the channel and go to Kate Spade near you. Check out their website to see if they still have that sale. All right? Take care. Hit the like button. Take care.